What about you too?
Put one over there.
Pretty good. Food's pretty good. What you think, babe? So she's happy. You know who's still eating. It's pretty good. I've never been here before, but I recommend it right here off of 1960. You can buy some bar and grill. Make sure y'all come check it out. We'll eat some cake and ice cream now.
Happy birthday to you.
Man, it's raining crazy right now. Raining crazy. Supposed to have a tropical storm in the Gulf. I mean, wow. Whew. Man. Still gotta work. Still gotta work. Got stuff to do. Been at it since early this morning. Gonna wrap up the day as far as out in the field and get back to the office and do a little more adminning. But whoa, man. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Learned a lot this week. Hey, everybody. So it is a rainy, stormy day. Man, had to make a lot of changes. You know, you get new to YouTube. You know, as much as I plan and plot out stuff, you know, you think I read a little bit more, but because of YouTube, I had to change a lot of things. Show's gonna be a little bit different. I'll explain that later on. It's raining like hell. This is Trucks United. Let's go.
You can start a new life as an IT pro in as little as 4 months, right from the comfort of your own home. Yeah. Coming in, yeah. Flex, I just wanna win, yeah. LA baby, who we running with, yeah. 2233, I'm on 10 again, yeah. State your name, big double flame. I just switched the lanes. damn, he did it again. I just flipped the pain. Stripping and dipping in base, slab on everything. Swimming, you sinking away, cause I got big racks coming. I put my low racks on it. I ain't skip past losses, I had to get back off.
So a little bit better day today. I mean, the weather's beautiful. I mean, it's cloudy, so you can see that there's something coming on the back end, maybe tomorrow or next week. I mean, who knows? I mean, I know better than the people that's on the weather report that said it was 90% chance of rain today. So we're gonna get some work in today and maybe stop by the shop and check out and see what's going on with Bruiser. Let's go. All right, so from time to time, I get some work. It's time for me to head to the south side and knock it out real quick. Let's go. Now she's got me in Bed Bath & Beyond. This is her other place. She spends all her time.
Your face in the crowd. I never thought that I would see you tonight. We lock eyes, and you smile. Every single memory comes back to life. Your lips press against my...
Cleaning up this morning after Hurricane Hannah roared ashore on Saturday. Hannah made landfall on Padre Island as a Category 1 hurricane, bringing heavy rains and flash flooding. Remnants of Hannah will be felt today as up to a foot of additional rain could fall. And in
Yo